so much, Adam. So free legal advice, something a lot of people wouldn't want to pass up, right? Tomorrow, those of you who may want it can get it. Here with details on the Law La Palooza event happening tomorrow is Judge Shannon Bacon. Thank you so much for joining us this morning,
Thanks for
Judge.
having me.
You bet. So let's get right into it. What is this event exactly?
It's a free legal fair where lawyers in the community provide legal advice to folks who can't otherwise afford legal advice.
Okay, and you're anticipating how many lawyers there?
50 to 60 lawyers from 3 to 6 p.m.
Okay, and what are their expertise?
Family law, divorce, bankruptcy, foreclosure, personal injury, immigration, you name
gamut,
it.
Right?
Yeah, you name
whole
it.
slew of different, expertise there. Can you tell me about this? So you said it's the 5th year.
Yes.
So has it been that popular, that successful?
It has. We serve between 150 and 200 residents every time we have the Law La Palooza, and we do it about once a quarter.
And you're anticipating this tomorrow as well.
Yes.
So you can really cover anything. Let's say if I'm maybe going through a divorce, I can go there and get some advice as to maybe how to split up the assets. Because
Right.
there's a lot of questions that you don't realize you need answered until you get into that situation.
And most people try and handle their divorce themselves, and so getting some of those basic questions answered can really move things forward without a lot of fighting or acrimony.
Absolutely. And what I like about it is you mentioned there's 30 minutes.
Yes,
with the
30-minute
lawyer.
consultation.
Okay. And what do you say if somebody's going over there tomorrow? What do they have to take?
Any piece of paper or document you have related to the question or the legal issue you're having, bring that with you. It really helps the lawyers give you complete legal advice and logical next steps to take if they have that information.
Why did you guys decide that this is something that needs to be done?
A couple of reasons. The legal community benefits from all of its citizens, and so this is a way for lawyers to give back. But once the recession hit, the demand was so high and the need was so high for free legal services.
Right.
Retaining a lawyer can be very expensive.
Absolutely. And do you feel a lot of people that maybe they either can't afford a lawyer or they're worried they just won't be able to afford the fees once they do get there, that they kind of shy away from that and they don't take the right steps?
I think that's true. There's a tendency to bury your head in the sand
Yeah.
and ignore the problem, and then it becomes bigger. So this is a way to find out, concrete steps to take to avoid that problem.
Okay. Out of 150 people you guys are anticipating to show up tomorrow,
Yes.
what is the bigger issue, or I guess the more popular issue that you guys do see?
The number one issue is family law, so divorce and child custody type of issues. And then second to that is anything related to debt. So it could be foreclosure, credit card problems, things of that nature.
Okay. And foreclosure can be really tricky as well.
It can be.
Do you guys help them in maybe steps of trying to save their home?
Yes.
Okay. So if somebody is in the process of being foreclosed on and they're thinking this is it, they can go there.
Correct.
Maybe there's another route.
There's lots of options available to people, and it's just learning about them that helps quite a bit.
Okay. What has been the response so far from the people that have attended?
It's almost always, it's always positive. People are very happy, thankful. They feel a sense of relief when they leave because they have those concrete next steps. Oftentimes, the lawyers will take the individual on as a full-time client.
Oh, wow.
And so there's an opportunity for that to happen as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Tell me when and where.
Tomorrow from 3 to 6 p.m. at
Okay.
the Wells Park Community Center in downtown Albuquerque. It's first come, first serve.
Okay.
So feel free to show up early. We'll be there. We don't turn anyone away. And it is targeted towards low-income members of the community, but anyone's welcome to come. And we will have interpreters available as well.
So maybe if you speak maybe Spanish.
Spanish, Asian languages,
Right.
American Sign Language.
You guys will have somebody there to help
Yes.
out. Want to thank you so much for joining us this morning,
Thank
Judge.
you.
Sounds like a great program. And again, it
appreciate it.
starts tomorrow at 3. If you want more information on this, go to our website, krqe.com. We'll be right back.